Hey everyone, Justin here with Excel. Wanted to introduce you a new piece of equipment that we're stocking in both locations. This is the XCS 500 by RoofTec. It's a soft wash system that's designed to be able to clean roofs, houses, driveways at both low pressure and high pressure when needed. On board, you're going to find it's got a 110-gallon bleach tank. You're able to adjust your formula of bleach and water mixtures. On board, you've got 200 foot of high pressure hose, and then you've also got your freshwater supply hose reel as well. Down below, you've got storage for gallons of chemical, accessories, any other additional tools that you may need. And it's all packed in one convenient skid mount design, so it can be put in the back of a flatbed truck, a regular pickup truck, or a trailer. This unit's designed to run for up to 7 hours on one tank of gas, which is nice. And then down below here, you're going to see we've actually got a drain that allows you to drain the 10-gallon detergent or surfactant tank back into the gallons for not wasting product. So as you're changing jobs throughout the day, or maybe the surfaces you're cleaning, we can actually change the product out without wasting or feel like we've got to use it all on one job. This unit is perfect for somebody looking to get into the pressure washing business, or even somebody that's got an established business that is getting sick and tired of changing out cheap pumps. Because with this unit, it's got down to 200 psi all the way up to 2,500 psi at 5.5 gallons per minute. And this pump's designed to run the corrosive chemicals and everything that's coming through here and getting longevity out of it. If you have any more questions or concerns, if you want to come take a look at it, feel free to give us a call or come to one of our locations today.